We have 2 minus 3 to the power of 1 minus 4 to the power of 0 and minus 5 squared. So now let's solve this step by step. This is very interesting and easy question. Okay, 2 minus 3 to the power of 1. Okay, 3 to the power of 1 is not equal to 0, right? Or 1, right? 3 to the power of 1 is equal to 3, right? So 2 minus 3 minus 4 to the power of 0 is not equal to 0. 4 to the power of 0 is equal to 1, right? So here is 1, and minus 5 squared means 5 times 5 equals 25. So here is 25. Now 2 minus 3 equals minus 1, right? And minus 1 minus 25. Now minus 1 and minus 1. Minus 2, minus 1 is plus, so minus 25. Now minus 2 and minus 25 equals 27. But keep the negative sign.